Hi everyone! Today we're breaking down all the StarryAI styles and AI models, including the Altair, Orion, Argo, and more, so you can get the exact aesthetic you want every time. Let's get started. First, let's go to Altair. This is the concept art king. The Altair is a StarryAI's go-to for fantasy, sci-fi, and anime-inspired art. The Altair also bold brush strokers and dramatic colors. This is great for character design and mythical creatures. Altair will give it a cinematic, illustrated look. Then here, the Orion, the photorealism master. If you want an ultra-realistic image, choose Orion because this is best for human faces, portraits, nature scenes, and this is great for lighting and realistic texture. Works well with minimal prompt noise. You'll get a lifelike result that feel like a real photo shoot. And then here the Argo, the abstract dreamer. The Argo is all about surreal, dreamy, painterly, and aesthetics. Blended colors, soft features, and perfect for ethereal landscape or expressive moods. The Argo adds emotional depth and a mystery to your images. Then the bonus tip: choose how the right model. Choose and use a quick rule of thumb. The Altair is for fantasy or illustration, Orion for photorealism, and Argo for abstract or painterly. Try running same prompts in all three and compare. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.